In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Instagram. So let me just go over to my phone and start the process. Before I go in, hi, my name is Marlon McLeod, and you are on Show Me How, the platform where I go through all your apps inquiries. So let me get into this brief video. So I'm going to go over to the Instagram app and I'm in. Now this is my profile on Instagram. Now on this profile, you get a lot of information about myself, and I highly recommend that you complete the platform so that people can get a detailed idea of what you're about. So here I have my name, I have my current job, entrepreneur, I have my goals, I have what I'm promoting, working from home, be with the loved ones, making how much cash per day. Now, in order to get this profile in the best manner, you'll have to go to the edit profile section. So I'm going to tap on it and go in. Now you'll have the option of changing the profile photo. As you can see, I can change my cute face to another cute face or more handsome face. Further down, I have my name, Marlon McLeod. I can edit this as wish. To just show you, I can just edit McLeod, but I'll just leave it so everyone can know my name. So I'm building a profile of myself now and beyond. I can go down and put a username. Now this username is uniquely for people finding me. Now here they say you'll be able to change your username back to successful models for another 14 days. And I do not want to change it, so I'm just going to leave it there as that. But I would suggest that you should have a username that is congruent with your goals on Instagram. It should also portray what you want people to associate with you. Now when we go lower, we have the website. Now the website is where you can put your unique website URL, or you can put an affiliate link there or a landing page. Very cool. Now here I have a link for a Linktree account which I'm currently promoting, and I'm going to show you in a few minutes how the website looks, which is my landing page. Sorry. So when we go further down, the bio should be something that is in depth of what you do, what your goals are online. So here you can say, let me just be financially free, work from home, and be with your loved ones. You can edit this as much, and make sure you put emoji, you put pictures within the bio so people can have a, say, very admiring experience just by reading your bio. Now when you go further down, you have the page. This page is normally linked with Facebook account and so forth. I'm going to ignore that for here. Now when you go to the category, you can put anything that you're promoting. For example, in my situation, I'm promoting entrepreneurship, so I'm encouraging people to make cash from the pleasure of their home. So I put myself as an entrepreneur. I'm thinking of new ideas that people can implement in order to make their lives easier. Now this section goes back to you. If you're an artist, you can put artist. If you're a musician, you can do that. If you're a blogger, you can do that. If you're an educator, for example, you're a teacher, you can do that. There are many options you can choose for this area. So let me just go back to this area. So when we go to content detail, the content detail, I can put my phone number here. That allows people to call me if they have any questions for me. I can put my business email address here. I can put many others. Let me just put my business email address to show you freedomguider.com. Now this 1 minute, this is mine. Just close that. Freedomguider.com. I can put my business address and I'm going to save that there. Guys, whenever you edit your profile, do not forget to hit this blue tick at the top. If you do not, you will lose the content which you have just added. When you go further down, let me just close this. Yes, when you go further down, you'll have the option of action button. Now that's not active for me because they require other stuff. So on this page, you can add an action button where you allow people to take orders. You can make booking, you can do reserves, and I'm not into that at this point. You can go deeper, either Uber Eats, Talabed, chat food, and all these great options of having a service where people can get certain things from you. Now, if we go to booking, you can do other things. For example, you can do timing, set more, all these applications that you can link to your Instagram account. Now, let me go back. Now, profile display. I can tap this and say, make my profile be unseen. For example, the information which is below. Let me just show you what happens when I tap like display category label unseen, this display content information unseen. I'm going to show it. Let me go back and so you can see what happens. Now, when I click that, guys, the buttons that you saw here below, the edit, profile, promotion, insights, are now missing because I chose to let them be unseen. So I'm going to go back so that people can see it and they can really believe that I'm an online marketer. I'm going to put it back and so you can see the difference. Let me just go back. Now here it is, guys. Okay, edit, profile, promote, inside, contact. So if someone were to come over, see my profile, like the information which I'm promoting, look at the videos which are down, as you can see, just go back, they can then choose to contact me and they'll have my phone number, they'll have my email address, which is extremely great, amazing. Yes, so that's it for editing the profile. Don't forget to save your content when you're done. If you want to change your personal information, guys, you can come here and click on change your personal information and which is another option for another day. So guys, I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this video teaching you how to edit your profile. If you have any questions for me, I'm here to assist you. All you have to do, go put that question or the query that you have in the comment section below. And also, guys, can you support this channel? I have a milestone to reach where I want to get about 50,000 subscribers on this platform. So please help me share this video with your friends and family across the globe so they can know how to use Instagram in the best possible manner. Do not go anywhere, guys, and please subscribe and hit on notification icon so you do not miss the content which I have. In a few seconds, I will be having about say maybe 2 or 3 other videos that will be popping up between your beautiful eyes that will change your mindset of using applications on your phone. So please stick around and watch these videos. Bye.